Hello, and welcome to another best remote work from home job just for you. And today we have one with U-Haul for customer support specialist. So this one pays $15 an hour and it is full time. So the qualifications will be preferred, again, not required. It is preferred for you to have 1 year in a call center. The benefits include 401ks, dental insurance, employee assistance program, employee discounts, employee stock ownership plan, and flexible spending account. It also has more benefits. U-Haul is looking for an organized, friendly, and motivated call center representative who can work out of our Phoenix office or work from home. This position entails helping customers book, edit, reschedule, and or cancel moving help services via phone, chat, and email. To do well in this role, you need to be able to remain calm when customers are frustrated and have experience working with computers. So if you're a person that have dealt with U-Haul moving or are familiar with moving from one place to another, this will be perfect for you since you'll be assisting people that are going to be doing move outs and things like that via phone, chat, and email. The regular shift hours are from Friday to Tuesday from 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Arizona time. Wednesdays and Thursdays are off. There's also Tuesday to Saturday, which is 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Arizona time. Sunday and Mondays are off. Or Sunday to Thursday from 6 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Arizona time. Friday and Saturday off. Training class will be on June 27th, so apply ASAP. If you're seeing this after the date, still go to their website and check if they have more openings for maybe another round. But for now, if the class will begin June 27th. So as long as you're watching it before, you still can apply. 4 weeks of training from Monday through Friday from 7:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. There will be a sign-on bonus of $1,000 after 90 days. So by you just being with them for 90 days, you get that sign-on bonus of an extra $1,000. You must have a computer and internet access, headset required, webcam and camera access required for the training. Proof that you have at least 15 Mbps internet speed required for the training. And your responsibilities will be maintaining a positive, empathetic, and professional attitude towards customers at all times, responding promptly to customer inquiries, communicating with customers through phone calls, chats, and emails, acknowledging and resolving customers' complaints, processing, rebooking, and modifying orders, keeping records of customers' interactions, transactions, comments, and complaints, communicating and coordinating with colleagues and supervisors as necessary, providing feedback on the efficiency of the customer service process, ensure customer satisfaction, and provide professional customer support. Now, the requirements will be high school diploma or GED, ability to stay calm when customers are stressed out or upset, comfortable using computers, experience working with customer support. So by you joining U-Haul, you get your career moving forward that empowers team members to be the healthiest versions of themselves. We provide robust wellness benefits, events, and resources to help team members become the happiest and healthiest they can be. You'll also get some of the programs that are available will be full medical coverage, on-site medical clinic for you and your family, career stability, opportunities for advancements, valuable on-the-job training, prescription plans, dental and vision plans, business and travel insurance, U-Matter employee assistance program, paid holidays and vacations and sick days, employee stock ownership program, 401k savings plan, life insurance, critical illness and group accidents, 24-hour physician available for kids, subsidized gym and membership, MedLaw legal program, MedLife auto and home insurance, discounts on cell phone plans, hotels, and more, LifeLock identity theft, tuition reimbursements, free online and personal and professional development at U-Haul University, savvy consumer wellness programs from healthcare tips to financial wellness, and U-Haul Federal Credit Union. So if this sounds like something that's for you, I'll put the link right below in the description so you can apply right away. Remember, this job pays $15 an hour and it is full-time, and you have a variety of days where you can pick your schedule, and it provides paid training. So go ahead and apply right in the description below. But remember, you have until June 27th to apply for this particular role, but don't mind if you see this after to still see on their website if they have more openings for other remote work positions for you. And if you have one of the greatest and latest work from home positions, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.